Elasticity of demand. Definition: degree of responsiveness in demand of commodity due to change in any of its determinant, that is own price, cross price and income. There are three kinds of elasticity of demand. Number 1, price elasticity of demand. Number 2, income elasticity of demand. Number 3, cross elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand. It is the percentage change in demand of commodity due to 1% change in its price. Example: price elasticity of demand is -3. It shows that if price of commodity increases by 1%, its demand would decrease by 3%. If price elasticity of demand is negative, commodity is normal. If price elasticity of demand is positive, commodity is given. Income elasticity of demand. It is the percentage change in demand of commodity due to 1% change in income of consumer. Example: income elasticity of demand is 3. It represents if income of consumer increases by 1%, its demand would increase by 3%. Income elasticity of demand is positive in case of normal good. It is negative in case of inferior good. Cross elasticity of demand. It is the percentage change in demand of commodity due to 1% change in price of related commodity. Example: if cross elasticity of demand is equal to 6, it shows if price of related commodity increases by 1%, then demand of a commodity would increase by 6%. If cross elasticity of demand is positive, then commodities are substitute of each other. If it is negative, then commodities are complement of each other.